This video is sponsored by Adobe.
Hi, this is Steve Caplin for CreativePro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use dynamic text in Photoshop. Photoshop's dynamic text feature can make your text fit any size container, and it'll make the text expand to fill the width of that container. So here's how it works. Select your text, and up on the options bar you can see the dynamic text button. Press it, and right away the text will be expanded to fit. Now, it's not perfect, but Photoshop does allow you to edit it. First of all, it's almost always going to look better if all the text is in capitals. So we'll select it and choose to capitalize it. Now, Photoshop takes no notice of the content of the text, it just works with the length of the words. We can make it fit the content by putting in returns. So if I put in a return before dynamic, that puts Photoshop's new on one line. If we put in another one before text, that'll make the dynamic bigger. We can adjust the size of the box, and as we do so, the text will reflow, but respecting those returns that we put in. So it's a very simple way to make the text fit a rectangular space without having to manually enlarge each piece of text. Of course, you can style the text however you like. So here I'm producing a Victorian-style playbill, and I've applied different fonts to each part of the text. So let's click in the text to select it and choose the dynamic text button. It'll wrap it into a rectangle, but of course we want to split up the text based on the content. So we can just go through and we can put in returns around each element we want to pick out. So before marching band, after marching band, before the performer, and after the performer. And there is our text very, very simply enlarged to fit the space. Now, because we put in all the returns, it's not going to fill the whole width of our space, because that's as big as the text can be given the returns and the font that we've chosen. We can drag it narrower, and the text will reflow to make it fit the new width. Now, this isn't something you're going to want to do every day, but if this is the kind of effect you're after, then dynamic text can be a real time saver.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.